Hello boys and girls. I'm here to give you your new spelling words this week. We're starting section J. So before we begin, we'll do some new review some phonogram sounds and some of your spelling words. So I have our cards that we're going to review. What sound does this make? Ow, o, oo, round, soul, you, country. Good. What about this? As in her. Good. W, the whisper, w. Good. Okay, now, unfortunately I don't have any of my spelling cards with me, but I'm going to read off the rules. You have these at home in your packet for today, but I'm going to read off the rules to remind you of them. Rule number 5, I and Y usually say I at the end of a syllable, but I and Y usually say I at the end of a syllable, but may say I. Good. Sorry. Rule number 6. English words do not end with I, U, V, or J. Good. Rule number 7 is the silent E rule, and in these words you're going to see a lot of strong man E, where the E makes the vowel say its name. Rule number 12, abbreviations use a few letters to represent a larger word, and they usually have a period at the end of them, but not always. And then rule number 29, double consonants. If the consonant is doubled in a word, usually we think it doubled, but we don't always say it that way. So let's get started. Open up your brown book to the next blank page, and at the top on the left-hand side you'll write J-1. So uppercase, J-1. Good. Now, pencils down, eyes on me. Your first word is why. Why is the sky blue? Why? So why means for what reason? Why? How many syllables in why? Why? One syllable. We think to spell why. W. I. Repeat the way I think it. W. I. Say it as you write it. Read what you've written. Dictate it back to me. W. I. Good. Do we need any markings? Yes. Underline W, the whisper W. And why does the Y make the long sound I here? Remember what rule I read to you before we started? I and Y usually say if. I read it wrong last time. I and Y usually say I at the end of a syllable, but may say I. So here, it says I. So we're going to underline the Y because it makes the long I sound. Good. We think W, I, we say Y. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath Y, we'll write the word every. Every child in our class has a job. Every. How many syllables in every? Every. If you hum it, you'll hear those syllables. Every. So we think to spell ev-er-e. As in her, e. Like ya, I, sometimes e. Repeat the way you think it. Leave a little space. As in her, e. So leave a space between those syllables. Say it as you write it. You're writing every. Every. So every, which means each in a group. Read what you've written. Every. Dictate it back to me. like mine? If it doesn't, please fix it. Do we need any markings? Good. Underline the as in her. And that's going to be our only marking here. Because Y sometimes says E, we're not going to underline it for saying the vowel sound E. So we think E, we say every. Good. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath every, we'll write the word proud. I am proud of you for your hard work. Proud. So proud means feeling good for something feeling happy that for something really good that's happened. Proud. So how many syllables in proud? Proud. One syllable. We think to spell proud. P-r-ow-d. Repeat the way I think it. P-r-ow, like ow, o, oo, d. Say it as you write it. Good. Read what you've written. Proud. Dictate it back to me. Ow. D. Does yours look like mine? Do we need any markings? Good. Underline the ow, o, oo, Round, soul, you, country. So it makes the first sound ow in proud. We think ow, d. We say proud. Good. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath proud, we'll write the word happy. Praying with my family makes me happy. Happy. How many syllables in happy? Happy. 2 syllables. We think to spell happy. E, like I, sometimes E. Repeat the way you think it. E. Say it as you write it. Make sure you leave a little space between hap and P for the 2 different syllables. Good. Read what you've written. Happy. Dictate it back to me. E. Good. Does yours look like mine? Do we need any markings? No, we don't need any markings in happy. So question, do we usually say happy? Would I say happy birthday to you? No, because just like rule number 29, we say the double consonant when we're splitting it to remind us that we need to write the letter twice, but we don't actually say it in both of those syllables. Good. We think E, we say happy. Good. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath happy, we'll write the word son. Jesus is the Son of God. Son. How many syllables in son? Son. 1 syllable. We think to spell son. S. Ah. N. Repeat the way I think it. S. Ah. N. Say it as you write it. Read what you've written. Son. Dictate it back to me. S. Ah. N. Good. So we're not writing sun like the bright sun in the sky, S-U-N. We're writing sun like a male, a boy who has a father. Son. Good. Do we need any markings? Nope. No markings, just we think s, ah, n, we say sun. Good. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath sun, we'll write the word with. Will you go with me to the park? With. How many syllables? With. One syllable. We think to spell with. W, I, f. Repeat the way I think it. W, I, f. Say it as you write it. Good. Read what you've written. With. Dictate it back to me. W, I. Does yours look like mine? Do we need any markings? Good. Underline the with. Makes its first sound. Good. We think w, I, we say with. Let's pause to read the words you've written so far. Why, every, proud, happy, sun, with. Good. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath with, we'll write the word hour. Not like the hour in the day. Not like 60 minutes are in an hour. This is the different hour, so this is a homophone. This hour would be, our family goes to church on Sunday. Or, this is our dinner. So our is a pronoun here, which is the possessive of we. So our means me and a group of people. Our. So how many syllables in hour? Hour. One syllable. So if you hum it, it might almost sound like two, but if you hum it, it's just one syllable. So we think to spell hour. Ow, like ow, o, u, ow, Say it as you write it. Fingers don't spread that way. Read what you've written. Hour. Dictate it back to me. Ow. Good. Does yours look like mine? Do we need any markings? Good. Underline the ow in hour. What letter would we need to put on it to make it spell the hour like there are 24 hours in a day? Good. We need an H here to make it the hour, the time hour. Good. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath hour, we'll write the word same. Two shapes that are congruent have all parts of it that are the same. So same is identical. Same. How many syllables in same? Same. One syllable. We think to spell same. S, a, m. Repeat the way I think it. S, a, m. Say it as you write it. Make sure you include the, or else it'll say Sam. Read what you've written. Same. Dictate it to me. S, a, m. Good. Does yours look like mine? Do we need any markings? Yes. Double underline the E 2 times. And put a bridge or a rainbow to the A, because what's the E's job here? To make the A say A. Because it would say Sam, same. S, A, m. Excellent. Pencils down, eyes on me. Underneath same, we'll write the word fine. I chopped the onion into fine pieces. Or she painted a fine painting. Fine. So fine can mean either really, really thin, or it can mean really excellent or exquisite. Fine. How many syllables in fine? Fine. One syllable. We think to spell fine. I, n. Repeat the word, think it. I, n. Make sure you include this, or else it'll say fin. Say it as you write it. Good. Read what you've written. Fine. Dictate it to me. I, n, silent E. Good. Does your fine look fine like mine? Good. Do we need any markings? Yes, double underline the E 2 times. And the job is to make the I say I. Oh, they're similar. So the E's job is to make the I say I. If we took away the E, it would say fin. Good. Fine. We think I, n. We say fine. Good. Pencils down. Eyes on me. Our last word this week is name. Write your name at the top of the page. Name. So a name is a word that you use to stand for something, like a person or a building or a place. Name. How many syllables in name? Name. One syllable. We think to spell name. N, A, M. Repeat the word, think it. N, A, M. Say it as you write it. Read what you've written. Name. Dictate it back to me. N, A, M. Good. Does yours look like mine? Do we need any markings? You bet. Double underline the E 2 times. And uh-oh, my rainbow's going to have to cross over. The rainbow to the A, because the E's job is to make the A say A. Good. If we took off the silent E, would that be a word? Nam? No, it wouldn't even make a real word. It would say nam, which isn't a word. But we need the E to make the A say A. So it's n, A, m. Good. Before we go, let's read all our words one more time. Why, every, proud, happy, sun, with, our, same, fine, name. Excellent work. I will see you very soon, and I hope you enjoyed your spelling words this week. Goodbye.